This video is audio described for people who are blind or are visually impaired. Carnegie Math Pathways at West Ed. Statway.
You're going to show your answer with some sort of graph. So when it says a display, it means one of the graphs we've talked about.
Students are working in small groups in a classroom.
And explain your answer. Got it? So do a graph and then come up with an explanation for why you think one class is better than the other. Okay. Which class did...
And then after the average, you guys, how are we going to...
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, then why don't you guys find the average and then me and him...
The student points to another student in the group.
I guess we'll start the tally.
I'll start finding the average for Class A.
Wait, so you want to do Class B tally and I'll do Class A tally? And then...
The student looks to the other two members of the group for confirmation.
One of you guys are going to get Class A average and Class B average?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
The student is working on a worksheet titled, Quantifying the Center of a Distribution, Mean and Sample Median. The student is pointing at the data in Class A of the worksheet.
Are we starting it at 0?
For the graph?
Yeah, for the scores.
I am, because Class A was all the way down at 15 and 18, but I'm not going to get any from 0 to 10.
15. Oh wait, start right here.
Hold on.
The student continues to work on the assignment.
What'd you get?
A student looks towards another group member who is working with their calculator.
75.
Class A, huh?
That's the one I thought got lower just from looking at the numbers.
Wait, what did you get?
68.25% for Class B.
So you guys are making the tally?
It'd be the easiest way.
Oh, okay.
A second group of students is working on the worksheet. A student is drawing a dot plot
And then you
graph.
just write in each little dot. And remember, like, stack the dots as it goes. So, like, if one student both has the same score, it'll have 2 dots in that spot. Like 90 has 2 dots in A.
The student places 90 on the dot plot graph and places 2 stacked dots above it. They continue to place additional dots for other data.
One graph for Class A, yeah. One graph for Class B. And you just be able to, like, compare the dots.
The first group of students is reading their worksheets.
What is it asking us, guys? Which class scored higher on test 1 in
So we just need 2 bars here. One with a higher average and one with...
We've already determined that A,
The worksheet shows a bar graph the students are creating.
right, got the higher one.
The teacher is walking around the classroom helping student groups.
Why do you suppose that the averages came out the same?
Really good teacher.
No, why did the average come out the same when the data sets are so different? I mean, you've got one class that has 2 really low scores, right? But somehow they have the same average.
But they have a bundle in, like, the 60s, where this doesn't have a bundle in the 60s.
The student points to the Class A dot plot graph with the 2 low scores, where the majority of the data points are in the 70 to 90 point range.
Like, this 60 to 70 is empty. Like, they have no 60 to 70.
The student points back to the Class B dot plot without the 2 low scores.
Where this has over, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots.
The student points back to the Class B dot plot without the 2 low scores.
But that's almost half the class got a D.
More students are above the 75% average in Class A than in Class B.
So you get this...
I don't know. That makes a good point, though. Because I feel like I wouldn't want to have, like, the lowest score being a 15, but in Class 2, no one got a 15, but then no one got a B.
I mean, it's just lucky. Most of these people, your average is right here, right?
A second student points to the Class B dot plot graph without the 2 low scores, where the majority of the data points are in the 60 to 70 point range and the 80 to 90 point range.
Well, the average, yeah, 75.
But look at that. Most of them are below average.
The second student points to the majority of the Class B data points falling below 75%, followed by the small number of data points in the 80 to 90 point range.
Versus this. but here it's almost above average.
The student points to the Class A dot plot graph, where the majority of the data points are in the 70 to 90 point range.
No, you're
So it's
right.
class A did better?
Yeah, this is our group.
Yeah, exactly. So Class A did better, even though the averages are the same. Statistically, the bell curve's just farther along on the thing. Yeah, I agree.
Stat average.
More of the class got above average.
The student writes on their worksheet, Class A did better along the average because more of the class got above average.
I like it. I know, it's crazy too because they put those two numbers in the front, so it's like Class A just like automatically stands out. It's just like...
The student is pointing off screen to the Class A data set.
Put it into a graph, the whole world changed.
I feel you.
Oh,
No, you don't.
look what they did. I like that.
The student holds up a worksheet where the data is represented in a bar chart, with Class A and Class B depicted side by side.
Where it just has both of them next to each other? Because it still shows you the average, but then you could see, yeah, look at... So it's like the same thing, but it's like... I forgot about those. Different ways. I like it. Thumbs up to group 2.
Presentation-wise, that's definitely.
Yeah, no, that looks better.
Yeah.
More
I'm
effective.
looking for some. So they're going to put up their dot plots real quick.
The difference is, look, I stopped at 8.
I forgot a 0.
Forgot a zero.
Various groups in the classroom are still working, while 2 students are drawing their dot plot graphs on the whiteboard. Carnegie Math Pathways at West Ed, Statway.